Guys, please stop gambling away your life savings with these random fucking meme coins. You are getting rug pulled nearly every single time. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make your meme coin yourself, so you can be on the other side of the rug pull. Launching on Pump.fun nowadays is really hard because there are so many coins being created every single second. You simply cannot beat that competition. So today I will show you how you can launch a coin directly onto DEXSCREENER and how you can make advertisements for it. So we're on DEXSCREENER, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy the most popular coin right now, which is the top one spot, which is Baby Pepe. So just click on it and let's see. They have a really nice website, Twitter, blah blah blah. Really high market cap for such a coin. Many people are into it. This is gonna be really great. So let's just copy and paste everything into the launchpad. Let's go connect our Phantom wallet. Baby Pepe is gonna be the description and name, and we're just gonna do Pepe as sticker. I already downloaded the picture and we upload it. They have a nice website which we can copy. So just right here, they have a nice Twitter which we can copy. The last thing we need to do is we need to select revoke mint, revoke freeze, and revoke update, because if we do not do this, there will be huge warnings on our DEXSCREENER page and we don't want that. So just select these ones and you'll be able to rug pull easily. So let's just create the token. Probably gonna take a little bit of time, and it will display a warning because the site is new. Don't worry about it. I'll just proceed, blah blah blah, and it's creating my token. And let's see if it took the money. Yes, it took the money for the launch. Perfect. So these are the creation fees, and right here is our coin. So we've got our website, our Twitter, the token address. So let's just copy the token address, and the next step what we need to do is we need to go to the marketing page, because this is the place where we're gonna make sure people are gonna buy our coin. And which one I always use is the Chinese social media marketing, because all the Chinese investors are just scanning their social media all day waiting for a new coin to pop up, so they have early access. So Chinese social media marketing is absolutely fucking great, and I'll just go ahead and buy this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy paste your contract address right here. If you click on this button right here, it will just do it automatically for you, and we just press buy. We confirm it, and the payment is successful. So the meme coin marketing is live right now, so our coin is going to be marketed in about 5 minutes. So now it's time to initiate the liquidity into the pool. So yeah, you have basically two options. You can either make a pool on Radium and you'll launch it on the Radium network, or you can launch it directly onto the Solana network. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's click on create liquidity, and for the base token, what we need to do, we need to add exactly this number, 850,000,000, and this is basically, it means that we have the majority of the pool, because the total amount of the total supply is this number. So basically this means that we have 85% of the whole coin in our hands, so we can rug pull it later. For the quote token, what you can do is you can do pretty much any amount that you want to initiate into the liquidity pool. For me, I'm just gonna do 0.7 because I have it lying around, so let's just do it and I'll create the liquidity. Alright guys, so our meme coin has been up for a couple of minutes now. We created the liquidity pool and we purchased some marketing, and the first few minutes have been doing not much, obviously because people still cannot see the ads, and the listing on DEXSCREENER, I don't know if you noticed, but it's not instant. There's a few minutes delay between the actual launch and before it's on DEXSCREENER, so we just gotta wait patiently and see what's happening. And as we're waiting, I want to explain to you why this works. So the biggest mistake people make is they launch it on Pump.fun and do not promote the coin. So like, a launch on Pump.fun is cheap, but there's 1,000 a minute. How is your coin gonna stand out of the other ones? And pretty much the same goes for DEXSCREENER, because nowadays there's like a new coin every minute. How is your coin gonna be special? Yo guys, I'm back. As you can see, it's about 7 minutes later now, and we've got a couple of really good buys already. There has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 major buys of pretty good amounts, and it's pretty crazy because usually it takes about 20 to 30 minutes before people see the advertisements and do some research, so usually there's a little bit of delay, but it's pretty crazy. Like in 7 minutes we had pretty good progress already. And let's just calculate quickly how much we would have made if we would rug it right now, which we're obviously not gonna do. It's about 240%. That's pretty crazy. We put in $100, that would mean we could get about $240 out right now. That's crazy. But obviously guys, there's still a lot of more buyers to come, so we're just gonna wait and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so again, it's about 5 minutes later, and as you can see, we attracted some new buyers for our coin. So this is really good news, and let's just drag up the scale. Like in the highest point we would have made 530%. That's pretty crazy. But as you can see, there has been one big seller already, which leaves us onto 340%. So right now what I want to do, I want to purchase some more marketing, because if this guy decides to sell, other people might decide to sell as well, and I don't want this coin to die down right now. So I'm just gonna purchase some more marketing just to make sure we can keep this momentum going and people buying into the coin. So let's head back to the launchpad, enter the token address again, and we already purchased Chinese social media marketing, and right now I want to go with Twitter marketing, because Twitter is really a platform with a lot of crypto degens who want to make some buck. So let's just buy this one as well. Alright guys, so as you can see, the extra marketing has paid dividends. After the big sell, we had crazy numbers of buyers. It's really fucking great, and just in 25 minutes, and I feel like we made a really good profit already. So I'm just gonna rug pull the coin because I don't want to wait any longer. And yeah, let's just calculate how much we made. So yeah, let's just calculate how much we would make if we would rug it right now. So we start here with our own buy, and let's drag it up until the point where it is right now. That's 1300%, guys. Holy moly, that's crazy. We put in a 100 and we get back $1,400. That's insane. But guys, I'm not gonna rug pull the coin. This is just for educational purposes only. Do not try this yourself. It's all bullshit. Don't do it. It's illegal. Just don't do it. It's simple as that. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So alright, see you guys.